Own a piece of history in this renovated, restored home once known as Old Drover Inn. Built in the 1800s, it has been lovingly redone by the current owner to offer modern amenities while keeping the flavor of history. 7 bedrooms, 5.5 baths allow plenty of room for family and friends, or separate the home into 2 living units with a first-floor 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment, guest area or in-law suite. This home is also suited to be used as originally intended and could be a bed and breakfast with the separate living quarters housing the owner. Situated on 4+ acres, there's ample room to roam. The living areas are spacious, the main kitchen is state-of-the-art and the overall restoration is tasteful and in keeping with the historic nature of the home. All walls were taken back to the studs, all new plumbing and fixtures, recessed lighting and crown molding, original cucumber and tulip flooring, except for the new marble floor in kitchen and engineered hardwood in first floor ensuite.